Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a really great announcement video. The manual for Delta Flyer is officially out. Paul has been working on this for months and months and months. It's an incredible manual. If you've seen the Cappy manual, it's basically that but better. The manual is so thorough. We're going to go ahead and I'll show you kind of some highlights of the manual here near the end of the video. I have my this is like the old prototype Delta Flyer here because I have kind of something cool to show off as far as the sponsor for this video, which is of course always PCBWay, because they're an awesome company. And I am trying to get rid of and sell off some of my old printers that are clogging up my basement. I've got like 10 3D printers in my basement, so I'm just trying to like put some back together, sell them locally, just kind of clear stuff out, get things ready for new projects. And if you're someone who is building a DIY 3D printer and you don't have the ability to print other materials like ABS, ASA, nylon, that type of thing, PCBWay is an excellent option for FDM 3D printing. So I had PCBWay print these in ABS, and here we are. You can see the ABS parts that PCBWay printed out for me. These look awesome, and all of the breakaway supports broke away absolutely perfectly here. I basically just had to breathe on them and they broke away perfect. I chose to have these printed out in ABS silver. Very fast turnaround time. I think I had these to my door in a couple of days. PCBWay does review your parts to make sure that they are going to print well and have no issues. Their support back and forth is really, really great. And again, if you have a project, whether it's CNC machining or PCBs or 3D printing or injection molding or something like that, definitely take a look at PCBWay. I have my referral link in the description below. You can see the prices, upload the parts, and if you like what you see, you can go ahead and try it for yourself. Thanks again to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. All right, so let's take a quick look here at the awesome Delta Flyer manual. So the manual here is, again, in the same kind of theme and format of the Cappy manual. I was very, very happy with how the Cappy manual turned out. This is just kind of cranked up to, a higher level. And I think you'll agree the attention to detail here is pretty much unheard of. The amount of actual effort that went into this manual is just insane. Paul really excels at this type of work, and I definitely don't have the patience to do really thorough guides and detailed pictures and that type of thing. So if you were waiting for the manual to officially come out before you bought yourself your LDO Delta Flyer kit, now is definitely the time. This manual is live on printables. You can go take a look at it for yourself. In the description below, not only do I have the link for printables, but there will also be a link to the webpage CanRog made that has a list of all of the recommended vendors that we have for Delta Flyer kits. This is just a fun build. It's just a fun, compact 3D printer you can put on your desk. It's a fun build to do with your kids. I really like my Delta Flyer. When I was designing this, I would just, print out a bunch of designs really quickly on it for whatever project that I'm working on. And just because of the nature of the Delta, it calibrates the bed one time, and then you can just crank out prints. So it's a really nice compact printer, and I encourage kind of everyone to take a look at it. And again, very excited for the manual to be released. Huge thanks to Paul. If anyone has comments or anything like that on the manual, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or definitely join my Discord. There is a channel specifically for Delta Flyer. You can chat with other people who have built the printer. Other people are currently building it. You can see all the mods and all that kind of stuff. So I highly encourage anyone who wants to join my Discord to do so. We're growing every day. And if you want to support the channel, I do have some affiliate links in the description below as well that really helps out the channel, no extra cost to you. And then I also have my Patreon and YouTube membership, which really does help me design printers, buy all these parts, you know, spend $1,000 or something like that on a design, kind of get it all going and all that kind of thing. DIY 3D printers don't resell very well, so I'm not making the money back when I sell these. It's more so just to get it out of my space and give me more room. So your support definitely helps the channel a lot. So thanks everyone, a special thanks to Paul, and I'll see you all on the Discord.